Hi, this is Jeannie from Trendy Tree, and today I'm going to show you a black and white Christmas tree that Rachel and Carrie decorated for the Trendy Tree store. If you're not familiar with Trendy Tree, it's a website, and we've been in business since about 2007. But about a couple of months ago, Carrie opened up a store in Pontotoc, Mississippi. So these trees are trees that they have decorated in the store, but all the items come from the website. So we're going to go over this black and white tree because black and white is, of course, always popular, and buffalo plaid is always popular, and it has been for many years. So they put together a black and white tree using buffalo plaid items, black and white check, lots of silver and white, frosted pine cones, some big signs, and I'm going to go through the tree and I'm going to show you several of the decorations. I may not get every one of them, but I'm going to show you what I can. Now I will do a blog post, and those products along with links to the website will be in that blog post. So click on the blog post and go read the written blog. Now your typical buffalo plaid is usually red and black, but you know, most of the time when people talk about buffalo plaid, they talk about black and white check too. So you'll find a lot of ornaments in this tree that are black and white, and there's even a little bit of natural that kind of blends in with the signs that have the wood frame, and some black garland and some big white balls, several different styles of balls. This first sign is a Merry Christmas sign from Raz, and the number is 3936378. It's about 26 inches. It's a framed print, and it sells for $23.75, metal and wood. This next item is from Raz, and the number is 3936377. It's 27 inches in width, and it's $25.50, and it's also metal and framed with wood. These are big signs, so they're pretty on an easel or on the wall or on the mantle. This cone tree is from Raz, and it's a fabric covered, it's cardboard covered with fabric and glittered, and it has some burlap trim. It's a set of two, and the largest is 24 inches in height. The set of two sell for $29.50. And you can use the cone trees sitting around on a table. You can lay them on their side and fill them up with, greenery, and you can even turn them upside down and make a door hanger out of them. This mixed pine spray is from Raz, and the number is F3926032. It's 15 inches and it's $9.75. It's a great collection of frosted pines, got pine cone, berries, eucalyptus, and a big pretty black and white check ball. This pom-pom spray is black and white, and the number is 62302. It's about 30 inches and it's only $4.25. This black garland is kind of a tinsel garland. The number is G3726111. It's 15 feet in length, and it's about $10.99. It does not have wire. It's an all plastic material. This next ribbon is a black with white Christmas tree print, and the number is RGA137202. It's 2.5 inches in wide, it's $6.25, and there's 10 yards on the roll. And of course, it's wired ribbon. This next ribbon is called black and white, but it's heavily glittered, so it kind of gives it a gray look. The number is RW7618CF. It's 2.5 inches wide, and it's $12.75. The mesh that you see is a 10.5 inch faux jute cotton black and white check, and it's $8.97 a roll. And I'm sorry I didn't do that number. The poinsettia is XS376197. It's $3.97. It's 27 inches in length. We also have this in a red and black, or red and white, or red and black, I'm not sure. This spray is a frosted pine cone spray, and it's F3906710. It's 24 inches and it's $8.25. This black glittered cedar pick is 19 inches and the number is 262335 and it's only $3.50. It's a good thing for Halloween too, but it really looks interesting in this tree. This ball is called a flocked ball. It's XH950827. It's 4 inches and it's $2.50. We call these Harry balls at Trendy Tree, and we love them. We have them in several different colors like red and lime, and a couple of different sizes. Great to decorate with. This next one is a white ball. It's 256411. It's 4.75 inches in diameter and it's $3.99. This large finial is black and white and the number is XY8835TX. It's about 10 inches and it sells for $9.75. This next ribbon, the number is RGA1098X4. It's 1.5 inches in width and it's $6.50. It's 10 yards on a roll. It's a natural and then has a black and white gingham check edge. Of course, it's wire edge. This ball is 7 inches. The number is 3902376. It's from Raz and it's $10.75. Has a little sprig of pine on top and it's sprinkled with glitter and burlap trim. This check ball is plastic. It's 4 inches and it's XY8847TX. It's called Strike Check and it's $5.75. It's really pretty good detail for an inexpensive ball. This one is XY8834TX. It's 5 inches and $6.25. It's a vertical stripe. The hat is 3916481. It's 9 inches. It's $17.50. It's from Raz, and we have these in 3 different sizes. So just go to the website and put in a search for top hat, and it'll bring all those up. Well, I hope you've enjoyed watching this little sneak peek of a black and white tree. And if you haven't subscribed to our channel, there's a little icon to the right of your screen. You can click on that to subscribe, and you can also click that little bell, and that way you'll get a notice when we have a new upload. We appreciate you watching. We hope you'll visit us at Trendy Tree or in the store. Thank you. Bye-bye.